everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nanette. I'm here to unbox my January Onyxbox like I promised you guys. So like I said in my last video, my friends got me a 3-month subscription to Onyxbox and one box down and I really think I might buy it for myself. I just love them so much just because it's like a fun little treat each month. I liked my December one. You guys can go watch that if you haven't yet. But today we're gonna talk about the January box. The box is the same symbol on the front like the December box had with the Metapo symbol. And so this one says, the Metapo symbol is an Andikra sign of peace and unity. Our monthly celebration unites all skin tones and hair textures to discover the joy in Black beauty. We see you, we are with you, we are Onyx. So then when we open the box, there is the information card that they have each month. I actually put my December one on my fridge just because I love, again, the art that's on it. So this one says, a fresh start. Give your vanity a makeover and set yourself free. A new year means a fresh start, so why not start with your glam? This month's box features products that will refresh your beauty routine with cruelty-free, paraben-free, 8-free, silicone-free, or vegan options. Hashtag Onyx Fresh Start. So let's get into it. There's a whole lot of stuff in here, a whole lot of goodies, so you know I'm hyped. The first thing I see in here is Roots Skincare Potency. It looks like this. It says Roots Potency Anti-Aging Vitamin C and E Serum with botanical hyaluronic acid and ferulic acid. Okay, this makes me really happy because I just came back from traveling and I had taken my vitamin E Mario Badescu serum with me. And I guess in the rush of packing, I didn't close it properly and the whole thing spilled out all over my makeup bag. And that thing is $45. And so I had just bought it and it had spilled everywhere. And I just literally rip, moment of silence, like it's gonna be okay, but it's not gonna be okay because my coins, y'all. So to get a vitamin E serum in this box is too clutch and too well timed. So I'm very excited about this. And I know that hyaluronic acid is like super good for your skin. And I already know that vitamin C and E are great for your skin. So let's open this up and we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it's full size. Oh, it is full size, it is! Getting full-size things in these types of boxes is so differential to me. Obviously, I'm in the market for a new serum, so I will definitely try this and let you guys know on my next unboxing video. Not edible. Well, yeah, obviously. I bet it smells really good. That's probably why they put that on there. Oh yeah, it does smell like you should eat it. I won't. Yeah! Alright, I'm really excited. Sorry, I was a little too hyped. Literally first thing out the box and I'm like losing my mind. So the next thing I'm seeing here are these 2 pink packets. They kind of look like those, oh shit. They kind of look like those like applesauce things, y'all know what I'm talking about? Obviously they're not. They are Curl Keeper Tweak Hairspray and cream form. What is this? Curl Keeper Tweak Hairspray and cream form. This revolutionary product is a great way to fine-tune your curls and can be used for all curl types, free of drying alcohol and silicones that can damage hair and create product buildup. Curl Keeper Tweak will refresh and support your style for several days. Tweak will help add volume, bounce, and shine. Its formula is non-greasy and never builds up. Use on wet, damp, or dry hair as a styling product. This seems like it would be a good like curl refresher to use on like 2nd and 3rd day hair. So there's 2 of them, which is nice. So I will definitely try this out when I like take down my hair on like 2nd and 3rd days, and I will let y'all know. The next thing is a makeup brush, which I literally can never have too many. This is by, ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh, look at that color. This is by Luxie 552 Tapered Highlighter Brush. I typically put on my highlighter with a fan brush, but I'm gonna have to try this. It says Luxie Beauty Rose Gold, my jam, Rose Gold Tapered Highlighting Face Brush, worth $24. Yes, I will take that. Use this cruelty-free fluffy tapered brush to apply your favorite highlighting powders to emphasize the high points of your face for mesmerizing glow, or use to set your under eye area with your favorite powder. So I love a multi-purpose brush, so I will definitely be using this. This is Laritzi Cosmetics eye pencil. Okay, so there's an eye pencil in the last one. This one is paraben free, so it looks like it's probably better for you. Let's see. Typical black. Oh, okay, so it's like a pencil, not like a crayon. Let's see. Ooh, it's very soft. What color is it? Oh, it's not black. So you probably can't see this at all on here, but it is Midnight Blue. Laritzi Cosmetics Night Blue Eyeliner, $18. Define and line your eyes with this stunning cruelty-free, vegan-friendly liner. The bold and long-lasting color glides smooth for all-day wear. I don't think I have any, like, cruelty-free makeup, which is really interesting because I am like very into cruelty-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, all of that with my hair, but with my face makeup, I don't pay attention to that stuff as much, which I probably should start. So I'm glad that this box came along so that I can get to know some more of those types of brands. Okay, last two things. First is this. It is a pressed powder refill from It's. Okay, I don't know how to say that. Revolutionizing customizable cosmetics. Pressed powder refill. Interesting. It's like a teeny little powder in the color Saint-Tropez. Oh, it's an illuminator. Okay, apply to cheekbones, brow bone, décolleté, which I think means your neck, or anywhere you want a dazzling, alluring glow. Well, I feel like I should use my little new highlighter brush to try it out. So let's see. Let's take a little bit of it. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is illuminated. Oh, that's a pretty color. Okay, I'm gonna try that on later tonight. It's so pretty. I don't know where I would refill this into, but I'm gonna just keep it like this in its little plastic container because this is cute. Let's read about it though. Okay, which one is it? Okay, it's Saint-Tropez illuminating powder, $10. Add this paraben-free, vivacious, and intoxicating touch of sparkle to your brow, cheekbones, or décolleté for a dazzling luminosity that captivates and intrigues like the beaches of Pampelune. I don't know where that is, but this is really cute, so I love it, and I will use it. Ooh, I like this container. Oh, and it says Miami on it, which is where I just was. It says Miami on this side, Deco Nail Lacquer. Deco Miami, vegan, cruelty-free, 8-free, luxury grade formula. All right, y'all, with your little fancy origami packaging. Sometimes I hate when things come in nice packaging because I'm like, I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna have to rip this shit up. Oh, that's cute. It's a teeny tiny little bottle, but how adorable is it? It's a really pretty color. I feel like, I don't even know, like Night on the Town. It's called Boy Bye, which is, I'm here for that entirely. The sad thing is I don't really paint my nails anymore. I get them done at the salon. Bougie bitch. But I will keep this in my collection. This is fun. So the last box also had a nail polish and also had an eyeliner. But everything else is very different and new. So that's really fun. Let's read about this nail polish. It says, Deco Miami Nail Lacquer. This 8-free, TPHP-free, vegan, and cruelty-free lacquer will add a touch of glamour to your beauty vanity. All you need is 1 to 2 coats of this pretty pigmented polish for digits that dazzle. For digits that dazzle. So that's it for January. That was a lot of fun. I mean, I think my favorite thing in this box that I will start using immediately is definitely the serum. I told y'all my horror story about my last serum, so I'm very excited to start trying this. And then I think my other favorite thing is really this illuminator. I mean, this color is like perfect for my skin tone, so I'm definitely gonna be using that. One thing before we go, I said that I would give you guys a review on 2 things in my last video. One was this, the tangling brush, and then my attempt at using Hairfinity. So with the detangling brush, I would say that I'm not a fan. I think because it's a brush, so you can see the black is like brush bristles, and then the blue white things are like detangling bristles. but they're all very short, and so it doesn't really go through my hair effectively. So it's really good at like brushing the top of my hair, but it doesn't get through for any of like the detangling work. So I feel like it's a no from me as far as doing a detangling job, but this would be great for like brushing my hair up into like an updo or like trying to slick it back. So I will definitely keep it around, mostly because it's really pretty, but also because it's just gonna kind of fulfill a different purpose for me than what it kind of was advertised as. And then Hairfinity, so like I said in my last video, there were only 14 pills in here, so it's really hard after taking 14 pills to notice a like noticeable difference to my hair. For me, I think it's a no on Hairfinity as well, because swallowing the pills, let me take out a pill. Swallowing the pills literally makes you feel like you're like taking drugs. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the pill is literally like so big, and it's very uncomfortable for me to take pills that big because I'm a baby. So I don't see myself spending like $70-80 on a full-size bottle of this, and then take them every day, just because I take my biotin pills are like this big, and biotin has been working for me thus far and is much cheaper, so I think I'll just stick to that. This makes me feel like I am like on medication, and I don't really like that feeling. So that's it, y'all. Those are my reviews. I thoroughly enjoyed unboxing today, and I'm excited for my February box, so come back here in about a month. Thank you guys so much. Bye.